Dear students, today we are doing the cross multiplication method of solving linear pair of equations in two variables. As you know, the form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here we are representing these two equations by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now for solving these two equations by cross multiplication method, we will write first x upon equal to y upon equal to 1 upon. Now because here it is written x, then leaving the terms of x we will start from b terms, it is b1 b2 c1 c2. Then leave the terms of y and the terms starting from the last terms that were in x, c1 c2, here was c1 c2 c1 c2 a1 a2. Then 1 upon a1 a2 b1 b2. We have left the constant terms here. Now x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1, it is y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Means multiply these two and subtract b2 c1 from the multiplication of these two. Then multiply these two and multiply these two. Then multiplication of these two will be subtracted from the multiplication of these two. Again multiplication of these two will be subtracted from the multiplication of these two. In this way we find the values of x and y. Now a1 b2 minus b1 a2 is in the denominator here. The cross multiplication method can be used only when a1 b2 is not equal to b1 a2. a1 b2 is not equal to b1 a2. Means a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Means this cross multiplication method can be used to find x and y in unique solution, because this is the condition for the unique solution. Clearly from here, if a1 b2 is equal to b1 a2, then these will cancelize and we will get 0 in the denominator and 1 upon 0 will become equal to infinite value. Now exercise 3.5. Question number 1. Which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solutions? No solutions or infinite many solutions. In case of unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. Now first equation is x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. We will compare these two equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. From here we will get the values of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. a1 is clearly 1 because nothing is written with x, it means 1 is there with x. a1 is 1, then a2 is 3, then b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 9, c1 is minus 3 and c2 is minus 2. Then we will put these values in a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. From here we get a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 3 and c1 by c2 again 3 by 2. Then we get a1 by a2 is not a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, because in both the cases the value is 1 by 3 1 by 3 and not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for no solution of the equations. In this case the lines will be parallel, and because here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, therefore we cannot use the cross multiplication method to solve for x and y. Then the next is 2x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now we will solve this 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. We have brought the constant terms to the left to bring it to the standard equations. And from here we will get the values of a1 is 2, a2 is 3, b1 is 1, b2 is 2, c1 is minus 5, c2 is minus 8. Then we will put these values. From here we get a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is equal to 5 by 2. From here we get a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then this is the condition for the unique solutions. Therefore pair of linear equations intersect. Pair of linear equations intersect at a point, because it is the condition for unique solution. Now again The equations were 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now solving it for the cross multiplication method, x upon b1 b2 c1 c2, we have written b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1, means 1 into minus 8 minus into 2 into minus 5, then it will be minus 8 minus into minus 10. Y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1, we will put the values. a1 b2 minus a2 b1, we will put the values. In this way we get x upon 2 is equal to y upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 1. X by 2 is equal to 1 by 1, and y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. We get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Now the next question is, the given equations are 3x minus 5y is equal to 20. First we will write it in the standard form of equation. 3x minus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. Similarly 6x minus 10y minus 40 is equal to 0. From here we will find the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. We will put the values. In all these cases we get a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 1 by 2, c1 by c2 1 by 2. Such pair of linear equations have infinite many solutions. Again, because a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, therefore we cannot use the cross multiplication method to solve these equations, because a1 b2 minus a2 b1 will be equal to 0. Now the next is x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Again we will find the values of a1 a2, b1 b2, c1 c2. We put the values, we get a1 by a2 1 by 3, b1 by b2 1. Then a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This is the solution for the unique solution. This is the unique solution for the equations. Now because in this case a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, therefore we can find the values of x and y by cross multiplication method. Now we are using cross multiplication method. X upon y upon 1 upon x upon, we will hide the values, we will hide x, then we will get from here minus 3 into minus 15 minus 3 into minus 7. See here, minus 3 into minus 15 minus 7 into minus 3. Now for y, we will hide y and we will start from the last values that were in x. The last values were 7 and 3. Then here it will be minus 7 into 3 minus 1 into minus 15. Y upon minus 7 into 3, it is minus 7 into 3. Here it was left on minus 7. Then minus 7 into 3 minus 1 up into minus 15. 1 upon 1 into minus 3. Now these terms will be hide and we will get 1 into minus 3 minus 3 into 3. Now it will be x upon 45 minus 21. When we solve it, we get x upon 24 is equal to y upon minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. X upon 24 is equal to 1 by 6 from these two parts, and x is equal to 4. And when we solve these two parts, from here we will get the value of y. Y is minus 1, x is 4 and y is minus 1. Next is, for which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? The equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, a minus b x plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. We find the values of a1 a2, b1 b2, c1 c2, and then we put these values. a1 by 2 is 2 upon a minus b, b1 by 2 3 upon a plus b. For infinite many solution, these all a1 by 2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. When we put these, we get three parts, that is 2 upon a minus b is equal to 3 upon a plus b and 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. We solve first two parts by cross multiplication. From here we get an equation in a and b. It is 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. When we solve it, we get minus a plus 5b is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. And when we solve these next two parts, from here also we get an equation in a and b. It is 3 into 3a plus b minus 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into a plus b. Now we open the brackets. 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. We solve it, we get the equation 2a minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we solve these two equations by cross multiplication method. We get a upon minus 30 minus 0, b upon minus 6, 1 upon 4 minus 10. We get a upon minus 30 is equal to b upon minus 6 is equal to 1 upon minus 6. Now we will solve these to find the values of a and b. From here we get a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 1. Now today's homework is solve exercise 3.5 up to sum number 3.